My name is Orioma, but they call me Game Over. Because I be vulcanizer. Once I hold this tire and I hold this tire. I pump this tire now. Game Over. You know swell again.
Look at me, they call the press for you now. What's that happen? See, if I come here, you not change this tire, I'll carry this on my shoe.
This your tire. I don't fix am. I don't pump am. The tire before the tire come out here in condition and Game Over. That tire where you see, so that tire where I give you that time, that tire na your for life companion. That tire I know if you press down again. Nothing like press down, shake it together for that tire. That tire on don't end.
Because Urioma cannot come before my people and humiliate me and then go scot-free. I will take my pound of flesh.
And if you talk anything now, or you do your mouth like this, I go stand up here, I go slap you. This person when you see when sit down here, so my spit, no be ordinary spit, na venom, na snake spit. If I slap you finish, I go put your eye, I go spit inside if you make me best now.
Children of nowadays, they know they keep heavy for house. From the village to the city, see if I not
I think I can't thank Aku here. She follow what to make me leave city, come back to village. She don't come out the ghetto waiting for my trouser. We come city to come find man. Now my organic friends they come find.
Nobody wants to tell me that nonsense again. What kind of rubbish is that? Say, I am not scared of all of you. You can gang up against me, but I promise you, I will always win.
Don't fight me, you win.
When I told you she go to town to the city and sell Leku, she's Leku seller. Nobody believes me.
Mama, what is it? This is getting too much.
She has decided to turn herself into a monitoring spirit.
We can't keep living like this with this woman.
In fact, this matter, I don't think go settle her. As you know, one behave yourself so. You should be innocent and she said doesn't come back. If I make one phone call, the old general waiting for army, they go land up for this village. So as I don't go figure me tailor, me the sew young pants, make a padlock am for una body. So I have to take una to the school by myself, drop una there, and then come pick una back, come back house.